Disclaimer. This is a pressure washing video. If you hate pressure washing videos like I do, fuck off right now. If not, otherwise, stay tuned.
Got good shit for you.
Well, since the cooling system decided to disappoint me, and it's going to be a minute before I can work on the water pump, I think it's time for you-know-what, and it's long overdue, so let's get to it. This is going to take forever. Never mind. Another day. I'm just going to keep blue and balling you guys for forever. Little JK, I found the good nozzle. Much better. Cue time lapse.
Well, there she is, nice and clean. It's like a brand new used car that's also really old. As you can tell, the pressure washer did a lot, but there is a lot of work still to go. The hood is the worst of the whole car. You can see here we're through to the primer in a lot of places, a lot of little pinpricks. Got these Virginia Creeper roots all over the car. That stuff just glues itself. I mean, it sticks to the concrete over here too. Nothing I'm gonna be able to do about that. Looks like there's a dent there. It kind of looks like there was some paint patchwork there and down here, right there. You can see how paint seems to be multiple colors. Same with right there. Not really sure about that. I mean, I don't care with the whole state of this. Trunk's also pretty bad. Really cracked on the trunk, but it's at least still there, nice and smooth. A couple of rust holes. Let me see how much water I got into the trunk. Fair bit. Not a crazy amount, but a fair bit. Kind of scared to look in the door. Also, if I was smart, I would have just taken all of the painter's tape off and then cleaned it and then put more painter's tape back on, but I'm lazy. All right. Oh, we actually didn't get very much water in here. Nope. Hardly any compared to what was in there. I gotta go look over there. Yeah. Dang. She's looking real slick now. Huh? Not much water in here either. Nice. Now I need to do the same thing to the engine bay, but I'm lazy and I'm not going to do that right now. But yeah. There she is. Beauty. Fucking mint. Well, here she is, nice and clean. I've been meaning to do that for forever, but I've just been putting it off. Mostly because I really don't like washing things or putting any sort of aesthetic effort into anything unless I know it's worth it. And I've known she's been worth it for a while now, but anyway, I'm soaked to the taint, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Personally, I hate watching pressure washing videos. I think they're incredibly boring, unless they're like real quick, like a couple minutes and nothing more. But I know a lot of people enjoy them. It's kind of like ASMR. I don't like ASMR, and I don't know what is wrong with people who do like it, but I can at least get the pressure washing thing. She's looking slick. Like a brand new car, except for all the scratch marks and the touch-up work and the exposed primer and the rust and the dents and all the bits of root adhered to the paint that physically cannot be removed. But other than that, she's like a brand new car. Well, anyway, I'm soaked to the taint, so I'm gonna go change and get some coffee and dry my dick off. But yeah, if you like this kind of stuff, remember to like the video, comment down below, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more trash like this. And yeah, till next time, Tom out. Just look at this lichen pattern. This is just part of the paint now. I don't know if that's ever coming out. Well, no, that's coming off. That's pretty cool. I kind of want to leave it, but I just ruined it, so now I have to clean it. Fuck. I got more of them, though. This is that shit I was talking about. This is a Virginia Creeper, or possibly trumpet vine. These things just glue themselves to anything. They are so goddamn annoying. They're stuck all over the side of the house.